Here I have Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus, and let me show you how to insert here the Nano SIM and micro SD card. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, keep holding power button, let's choose power off and tap power off again. Wait until your phone will be completely switched off, and afterwards let's open the slot for your cards. The slot is located right here at the left edge of the device. So let's use some thumb tag or special eject tool to open this slot. Here I have the simple thumb tag. Let's press into this hole right here. Now you can remove the whole thing from your device. Let me do it. And here you need to insert the Nano SIM. This is the Nano SIM card with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put this card in that position. And let's also insert the micro SD. This is micro SD with the characteristic edge right here. And let's put this card. Excellent. Now you need to put the whole thing into your device. Let's press it to the end. And now you are ready to switch on your phone. So let me do it. Press power key. And as you can see, the Xiaomi is switching on. Let's wait until your phone will be ready to use. Just let me make sure that both cards are working properly. And let's unlock the screen. If you have a PIN, you need to enter your PIN. Let me do it. Let's choose settings. And let me choose SIM cards and mobile network. As you can see, the device is reading our SIM card. Let's also go back and let's select storage. As you can see, the device is reading our SD card, so everything went well. You can go back and start using your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.